Namaskar, Shashikal, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is regarding the complete solution of DAV Class 8 English Chapter 1 3 questions by Leo Tolstoy. Let's start the video. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Let's discuss the question answer. The first part of the chapter is understand the story. A. Take the correct answer from the options given below. First number is the king reached the hermit's cell. The first option is on foot, on horseback, or in chariot. The answer is on foot. The next question is when the king approached the hermit, the latter was planting trees, showing seeds, or digging earth. The answer is digging earth. The third question is the man who came running from the woods had a wound in his hands, his stomach, or his head. The answer is his stomach. The fourth question is the king dressed the bearded man's wound with the hermit's handkerchief, his towel, or his handkerchief and hermit's towel. The correct option is his handkerchief and hermit's towel. The fifth question is after dressing the bearded man's wound, the king slept in the hermit's bed, on the threshold of hermit's cell, or in the woods outside the hermit's cell. The correct option is on the threshold of the hermit's cell. The second part is answer the following questions in not more than 30 words each. The first question is what were the three questions that occurred to the king? The answer is the three questions that occurred to the king were: first is what was the right time to do anything? Second question is who were the most important people to listen to and whom to avoid? The last question is what were the most important things to do? These were the three questions which occurred to the king. The next question is why was the king go to the wise hermit? Why did he go there alone and dressed like a commoner? The answer is the king went to the hermit to get the answer to his three questions. The hermit received only the common people, so the king went alone and was dressed like a commoner. The next question is who was the bearded man who come running from the woods? How had he got wounded? The answer is the bearded man was king's enemy. He got wounded because the king's soldier had attacked him on recognizing him that he was king's enemy. The next question is how did digging of beds for the hermit save the king's life? The answer is if the king had not helped the hermit by digging the beds and had gone his way, the enemy in ambush would have attacked him. So the digging of beds for the hermit saved the king's life. Next part is write the given adjective against the characters the king, the hermit, the bearded man they belong to. Also find extracts from the story to justify your answer. The adjectives are inquisitive, wise, considerate, practical, impulsive, and grateful. The adjective for king are inquisitive and practical. For hermit, it was wise and impulsive, and bearded man was considerate and grateful. The extracts from the story was given. Note it down. Second part of the exercise is higher order thinking skills, that is HOTS. The question is briefly explain the answer the king got to his three questions. Making three answers your base, comment on the importance of present moment in our life. The answer is present time is the most important time. It is the time when we have some power to do. We are the master of present time. Our future depends on the best use of our present time. The people who are with us in the present are the most important ones, and to help the needy is the most important work. The next part of the exercise is life skills. The question is, knowledge gained through experience is far superior to and many times more useful than theoretical knowledge. Discuss the above statement in light of the fact that the hermit did not answer the king's 3 questions as soon as they were put to him. The answer is knowledge gained through experience is far superior to that of theoretical knowledge, is more convincing than theoretical knowledge. The hermit could have given the answer to the king's questions, but he waited for the right moment as the incident took place with the bearded man and the hermit. He explained the answer and the king returned satisfactorily. The next part is values. The question is, for the purpose alone was man sent into this life? What is the purpose? Discuss some means of fulfilling this purpose. The answer is, serving the needy is the main concern of human life. God wants us to help those who are in trouble. So we should have love, kindness, sacrifice, and helping attitude towards others. The next part is writing skills. On behalf of the king, write a notice inviting the people to respond to his 3 questions. Mention the questions also. The palace of Bijayanagar. Notice: reward, reward, reward. All the people of the kingdom are hereby informed that the king will give big reward to those persons who can answer his 3 questions satisfactorily. The questions are following. The first question is, what is the right time to begin anything? The second question is, who are the most important persons to listen to? And the third question is, what is the most important work to do? The secretary. So I have given the complete solution of the chapter. I hope this will help you. Like the video and subscribe my channel for such type of solution videos. Thank you.